Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight light bulbs. This video will apply to Jeep Grand Cherokees made from 2005 all the way up to 2010. Okay, now first I will show you the passenger side, which is much easier to do. Now you should be able to squeeze your hand inside through here to access all of the light bulbs. If you have a really big hand and you can't get inside this space, then you will have to remove the airbox cover, and that way you should be able to approach it from up here. But most likely you'll be able just to squeeze your hand inside here. And now this first one right here, this is the high beam. To remove it, you just want to turn the socket counterclockwise and pull it out, right? Replace the bulb and then just insert it back in and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Okay, now I will show you the low beams. Same thing, you just have to squeeze your hand a bit deeper, and here you can also access the bulb. I'll try to maybe turn on the flash on my phone. Hopefully you'll be able to see it a bit better. So it's the same thing, you just want to turn it counterclockwise and pull the bulb out, right? Get it out through here, replace the bulb and insert it back in. And now the turn signal light bulb will be located just under the low beam. I'll try to zoom in, I'm not sure if you can see it, but the same thing, you'll squeeze your hand through here, right, all the way back there, and here you should be able to access it without any problem. I'm not sure if you can see anything, it's quite sunny outside, but same thing, turn it counterclockwise and just pull it out, right? And when you replace it, just turn it back in clockwise. Very easy to do on this passenger side. Okay, now the driver's side, it's a bit different. If you have a really small hand, you should be able to reach all of the light bulbs without removing the battery, but if you have a big hand, then you will have to remove the battery, and once the battery is off the way, then you have really lots of space to remove all of the bulbs. In case you have to remove the battery, you will have one a bolt down there, that's the battery holder, and you just have to disconnect the terminals. If you are doing that, always make sure to first disconnect the negative battery terminal, then the positive, and when you're connecting the battery back, always first connect the positive and then the negative. But now I will show you how you can remove those bulbs without removing the battery. So if you can squeeze your hand inside through here, you have easy access to low beam light bulb and the turn signal light bulb without any problems. You can turn both sockets, remove the bulbs, pull them out through here and install the new ones, right? I will show you now. See, just pull it out through here. See? Okay, now the high beam on driver's side is the hardest to access without removing the battery. Only way to do it, if you can squeeze your hand through this small opening right here, or if you can squeeze your hand just here in front of the battery and under this metal piece. So just through here, and then you can grab it with your fingers and turn it. Now, like I said, this is up to you. If you think you can do it, then just do it that way. If not, just remove the battery and then you can remove all of the bulbs very easily.